cohosh season here in Pikeville. It's the fall of the year and the seeds are starting to fall. This is the best time for black cohosh harvest as far as medicinal value. So here we have a sample that we keep every time we ship or are preparing to ship. We prepare a test sample and send it off, and it represents a lot, sometimes 1,000, sometimes 5,000 pounds. The material will come in, it'll be dumped out and placed in trays for inspection. This is one of our handling trays. This will be sterilized prior to the material being put in. These are brought over and placed into production. They can be dumped into a mixer and tumbled to remove a little bit of the soil and rock, or they can be directly power washed. You may have 15 to 20 collectors in a skid of material. We put things into lots through our traceability system. Every time we purchase, we document where it came from. Once the material is in here and ready for to be dried, we bring it into the dryer. So trays of black cohosh are brought in and stacked in the drying area. Black cohosh, once it's been cleaned and properly dried, we're going to visually inspect this for dryness by breaking it. Set this down so that you can hear the snap in this root. Without laboratory equipment, you learn that collectors have really trained me to, well, you know, you're looking for that snap and you hear that crunchiness in the material. So we know it's ready to be inspected further. So you look at this root and you see it's nice brown, reds, and blacks in it. And you see that it's been properly cleaned. There's no soil left on it. Now this guy, still a great piece of root, but you can look and see that he still has some soil. All we need to do is pick it out and set it to the side, and then it'll go back through a power washing and be re-dried. Okay, once the material has been properly dried, we're going to move it to an inspection area where the trays will be dumped out and sorted according to their cleanliness and determined at that point if it needs to be reworked. I love buying botanicals from the collector, and I love working with them, and that's my passion.